Hi guys, another video for this weekend. What I wanted to do in this video is show you the finished build that I did of this guy, and it's going to block me out of the picture pretty much. But the 1911 Christie. This is the one I started back in November. That I built for my dad, and hopefully in February we're going to be able to take that to him. We're going to go visit. My daughter has a science fair in the town where they live, and so we're going to go and stay with them, and I'll take the finished build to him in February. But wanted to show you all the final product. My dad's not on YouTube, so there's really no danger of him seeing this before I bring it to him. So what I did is, because this thing is so big and it does have some fragile parts on it, I'm gonna do it as a slideshow. That way I don't have to be handling it, and I put it on a turntable so I could take all the pictures and all of that. So I didn't want to mess anything up. So it will be done as a slideshow. This was probably one of the most fun kits I've ever built. It was challenging at times, but it was a lot of fun. And I would recommend, if you're interested in this kind of stuff, if you can get your hands on one of these kits. You can find ones that are not all that expensive. Get it and build it. It was so much fun, and it will, like I said, it will challenge you. And so if you like the challenge, definitely get one of these kits. But I'm not going to ramble on. We're going to move right on in. Here is the slideshow of the 1911 Christie steam-powered fire engine. Hope you all enjoy it. Enjoy looking at it as much as I enjoyed building it. So we will see you on the next update. You all take care. Stay tuned for the slideshow.